Welcome to Stay Smart Adventures, and this is the Nassau Inn, Palmer Square in Princeton, New Jersey. While the rich history of this hotel dates back to 1756 and is rooted in American history as a key meeting place during the American Revolution, the Continental Congress met in Princeton in 1783 and celebrities of the day were guests at the inn. The current location was built in 1937. The Nassau Inn is a historic hotel of America, which is a program of the National Trust for Historic Preservation which recognizes and celebrates the finest historic hotels. And Palmer Square is in the heart of Princeton, New Jersey. It is across the street from Princeton University and surrounded by shops and restaurants and plenty to do. There are a number of suites in this hotel, each with their own style and personality. This room is the George Washington Suite. As you enter, you see you are greeted by a generous living room, dining room area. Beautiful mahogany furniture. There's a kitchenette, wet bar, microwave, Keurig, and refrigerator. There's a sitting area and a desk to do work. You have a beautiful city view of Princeton, New Jersey. And as you enter the master bedroom, there's a beautiful queen bed. A second TV. And again, beautiful furniture, beautiful woodworking throughout the room, beautiful elegant wallpaper. You do feel like a president when you come into this room. And as you can see, the bathroom is spacious. A nice shower. And as far as bathroom amenities go, they have everything in this bathroom that you might need, including makeup wipes. Dining choices are plentiful in Princeton, but if you want to stay in the hotel, right off the lobby is the Yankee Doodle Tap Room, which makes a great breakfast. But right outside the hotel in Palmer Square, you'll find so many options for excellent food and drinks. I am rating this hotel a must-go. I love my stay here and want to try out some of the other suites. Princeton is a beautiful city, and if you need a place to stay, there is no better location for being right in the heart of the action. I hope you enjoyed this hotel tour. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.